Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be stripping and cleaning our Bersa Firestorm 380. Here are some of the items you may need: some gun cleaner, CLP, gun grease, brushes, swabbits, and some custom cut microfiber cloths. To begin with, we're going to make sure we have a safe weapon. We're going to take the safety off. Push down on our takedown lever, pull it straight back, and slowly let it release. Now we have our weapon field stripped. As you can see, I've done some polishing on it already. On the next Bersa video, I'll show how to do that. Okay, we now have our weapon field stripped. Let's start with the slide. Okay, we're going to come here. The small end fits well. Okay, we're going to take our microfiber cloth. I like to cut them. It's good to cut these to custom sizes. When you cut the cloth correctly, it doesn't leave any lint behind. On the outside, you can also spray directly on if you like. And I've done a review on this lube. It's $90 a gallon. Now this does have some rust damage. The rust is gone, but the pitting remains. I did a video on that as well. Getting into the serrations here. We'll just leave that in to soak. Now on our lower, we just want to go here, get the rails. Clean the barrel and then underneath. In another video, we'll break this down further. And if you need to, you can take your spring run it through your microfiber cloth in a spiral pattern. Just let it go. Some of the things you may need: a nylon brush, copper brush, jag, flexible rod, and cleaning patches. Our gun's been recently cleaned, but if not, you're going to want to use a cleaner for the muzzle. Come in and just spray it in, let it drip out. Entering through the breech and out the muzzle. Now we're going to run cleaning patch through it. Just run that through as many times as you like until you're satisfied with the results. I'm not going to be opening the magazine, cleaning the spring. We're just wiping the exterior. If you're going to store it for a period of time, you could just leave it like this, or we could dry it off. And the slide, we're going to be applying gun grease here on the rails. Applying a light amount of gun grease onto our swabbit. Now on the lower itself, we'll be applying it here. For reassembly, putting our spring back, it doesn't matter which way. Insert the spring. Pulling it all the way back. Now function check. That's going to do it for our basic cleaning of our Bersa 380. Keep checking back for more updates. Be sure to visit my channel for full-length videos.